Tonight this video shows a 1941 Brunswick 9-foot table that we've taken apart, moved, and we're going to put it back together. First step is we're going to set the head and the foot, and we're going to take and mount the side rails to this table. We're going to make sure that it's square on the carpet. Lift up the side pieces. They fit right in to place, and we're going to set the head in first. That goes right into a notch and snaps right into position. After the head is secured, we're going to do the same with the foot, and we will then have both the left and right side completely put into position. So the base of the table is now put together. The next step is to put in the center, the cross beams that will hold the heavy pieces of slate. Those just go right into notches. Everything here is just slots right into place. Our center beam is going to go in next, and once we have that bolted into position, we're now going to mechanically fasten everything together. Just using a simple set of sockets. Nothing special there. Once we have the table in position, we will take a machinist level that is so accurate that even something the size of a piece of paper is measured on this. We're going to shim the table up, triple check it with the machinist level, make sure that the table is spot on, level on all sides. In this shot here, you see the three pieces of heavy slate we've brought into position. We're laying those out, and these just basically have sections that snap into position. Gotta be careful that you don't break those off. These are very heavy. Once we have those in position, we're going to take a butane torch and some beeswax, and we're going to lay a bead of this beeswax down the line, and we'll cut this back with a razor knife, cutting out any imperfections, cutting out any of the obviously overspray. Check it now with a pool ball to make sure that it's completely perfect, no problems at all. Double checking everything with the machinist level again. And now we're laying down the second bead of beeswax, doing the same method. Get in there with a razor, look for any imperfections, and cut everything back so everything is completely flush. Very important step in the process here. Once we have cleaned up all of our beeswax and have the table completely cleaned off and checked again with the machinist level, we're going to get ready to actually lay out our felt. Now, we chose a red felt. Just wanted to get away from the old green. That's all laid out, kind of like a dinner table, but what we're going to do is use some industrial staples. We started at the head, staple that down, and once we have the head completely stapled down, we can then take and stretch the felt so that it's going to be very, very taut on the actual slate itself. And once we have everything laid out tautly, by pulling it on the felt, we will use the same industrial staples to staple everything into place. Once everything is stapled into place, then we're going to take a pair of shears and basically cut out where the pockets go, and then we're going to be gluing in some felt around the pocket openings. Now the next section is the bumper rails and cushions we'll put into place. We'll bolt the first one in. Got a special tool that is back in 1941. Go buy this particular tool that has this with it. And we'll bolt the first rail in place, and once we have that fixed, we'll take our pockets, and they just fit into little holes. We want to make sure those are all squared up and put into position, and once they are, then we'll go ahead and take and bolt that second rail on. got the job finished. We're going to test the pool table.
Diamond with opposite English, and if the rails are straight, it'll hit 3 rails and it will land between these 2 diamonds here. Like so.
Is that perfect?
That's perfect.
That's what you get.